So my name is Sallie Shaw and my business is Simply Sallie, and I live in Anderson, South Carolina. So we do a lot of things. We mainly make wood signs with our laser. I actually started many years ago with a vinyl machine, and it got me into like making personalized items, and I enjoyed that a lot. And then I realized I wanted to do more, so I started wood signs with stencils with my vinyl. And then I realized I loved woodworking, so I said I want a laser. And that's when I found Thunder and I fell in love. And it's kind of the rest is history from there. I was looking for a good customer service. I was looking for quality, and I was calling around and I came across Thunder, and I knew right away that that is the laser I wanted to go with, just based off of just everything. And I'm glad I went with them because it was the best decision we could have ever made. We turned into a full-time business from there. My husband works with me full-time now, and also the community that has come from that. We also make videos on YouTube and things. It's been a great decision for us, for sure. We have had our lasers for almost 4 years. Never had a problem. And that's pretty crazy because we work sometimes 16-hour days with those lasers. I think that seeing the machines hands-on, especially for people that are looking into buying a laser, would be an excellent thing for them to do. Seeing the lasers, meeting the people, and talking to the actual team, so you know that you're not just buying from some corporation, you're buying from people that work with these every single day. So I think that that can be great. And then just the community aspect, which I think a lot of people look for that. When they're looking for a crafting machine like this, they want to know that they're not alone when they have a machine that might be a little overwhelming. There's a community out there that you can learn from. So I think that's great too. If you're looking for a laser that's unmatched, the customer service, the support, the machines, the quality. I know it sounds like cliche or whatever, but it really is the best machine out there. And like I said, I hope that our business running as much as it has is a testament to people that want a machine that'll work, that Thunder's a great company to go for.